What's happening, everybody? Al here, coming at you from downtown Fort Myers. Today I got something really cool to show you. There's a lot of cars around in the show, some really nice stuff. But look at this right back here. This is a 2018 Mustang that's got a Stage 2 Whipple on it. It's really cool. Let me show you this one. All right, guys, check this out. This is not a 2018 Mustang, it's a 2019. And from what I understand, it's got a Stage 2 Whipple on it, and it's making really good numbers. Now, this is a performance pack car. You can see it, you know, with the wheels. That's a pretty good giveaway. It's a performance pack. Look at the graphics he's got on it, man. Coyote, love that. White tinted windows, big Brembo brakes. Now, from what I understand, this car came down from Sarasota to come down here to Fort Myers just to participate in this event. So, you know, we got some bugs on the front of the car, but you know what? They wash off. It's looking, you know, like no big deal. Beautiful car, though. Let's see if we can get the hood open and see what's going on in there. All right, guys, let's take a look under the hood. Okay, what we have here is a Whipple Stage 2 kit. Clearly, this is different than mine. I got the Stage 1 kit. This is a Stage 2, and this guy's got the closed airbox. And from what I'm told, he doesn't have the IAT problems that I have, IAT1. You could also see he's got the 132 millimeter elliptical throttle body, and we can get a look at the 3875 pulley. All right, pretty much tells you it's Stage 2. And yeah, look, he took the liner out from underneath the hood. That's one of the things that you do to try to keep the underhood temperatures cool when you have a Whipple. Now, I don't have any numbers on this yet, but we're gonna get with the owner and maybe go for a drive in this car at a future date. This fella doesn't live too far from me here, so we're gonna get together with him and we're gonna get more on this car. So this being a 19, I've heard some talk that Ford actually solved the problem with the typewriter tick. Okay, this car's equipped with a Whipple and all that other stuff, but let's listen to it and see what it sounds like. Guys, this is the quietest Gen 3 Coyote I've heard yet.
Cool.
Credits to the owner of this car. He's got a really nice one.
Those are some of the shows going on.
All right, guys, we decided to take a break down here at Scoops on Fire. This is one of the best ice cream places around. I got my little ice cream thing here. They call this Butterscotch Bomb. It's awesome, man. All right, guys, check out some of this stuff that we got here. We got a Shelby Mustang here. Really nice looking Fox body. Look at that. Really nice car. But we got something pretty cool here that you don't see too often. Look at that. Ford Maverick. Now, that's not something that you see every day. I'm going to guess that it's a 74 Maverick. I don't know exactly what year it is, but we're gonna take a look at it. Look at this. Beautiful Maverick. Really nice car. So, guys, take a look at this Maverick. Looking at the back of it at a glance, would you say it looks like a Pinto? Look at the rear taillights. It looks a lot like a Pinto, but it is a Maverick. This is a car that I remember back in the 80s, late 70s. You couldn't give one of these cars away. Everybody was into the Mustangs. The Mavericks were there, but nobody really wanted them. And I haven't seen a Maverick. This car is not really in that bad a shape, but look at it. All the same styling cues that the Pinto had when the Pinto came out. This car looks pretty cool. You know, it's a little rough. It's not exactly in great shape, but it's neat. It's a nice shade of blue. It's got white stripes on it. You know, got some inexpensive aftermarket wheels. The interior needs some work, but it's a cool car. It's not something that you see every day, guys. Really nice looking Maverick. All right, guys, you know, I've said this, I'm partial to the Pontiacs. Look at this car behind me. This is a 1966 Tempest. It's not a GTO, it's a Tempest. I remember a lot of my friends back in its day, during this time, they would get a hold of their mom's car, the old Tempest, had a 326 in it, and they would pull it out and they'd put, you know, a 389 or a 400 cubic inch Pontiac motor in it, would bolt right in. This is a beautiful car. Let me show you this one, guys. It's really cool. Check this out. This is a car that looks really good. It's painted indigo blue, right? Looks like a driver's car. Looks like the guy, the owner of this car, drives the car. But it's very well kept and it looks really good. And what I see under the hood, that looks like a TPI engine. TPI, you know, two-port injection from the early, you know, Camaros. You know, the say the IROC Camaros of the day back in the 80s, 86, 87. Pretty cool to have that in there. He's got his power steering, power brakes, you know, air conditioning, all the things that you need. But still, you know, this is a body style that's pretty much timeless. I don't know of anybody that would say that they don't like this body style. Very few people, I would say. And this car is for sale. See, the owner's got it for sale right there. Okay, and yeah, this is a Tempest. Like I say, it's not a GTO. See right there, Tempest Custom. The size of that trunk. For those of you who remember drive-in movies, you get a bunch of people in the back of that trunk, sneak into the drive-in movies. Just look at the interior. It's got an aftermarket dash in it, aftermarket steering wheel. A lot of this stuff is definitely custom. Very well done. Looks pretty good. Yeah, guys. Another beautiful Pontiac. Really nice car. Look at this, a Hellcat. Gotta love it. Let's take a look. All right, guys, look at this. This is a Hellcat, and it's pretty much a dead giveaway. There's the big supercharger, and looks like Mopar's got it right. They got the big heat exchangers on the hood to get the heat out. When you have a big supercharger like that underneath the hood, they generate a lot of heat. And one other cool thing is right here, the air intake, right there. One of what looks like the headlight is an air intake. So I imagine the IATs are pretty much under control with a car like this. So we'll just pan around and look at it. It looks like a really nice car, beautiful shade of, looks like orange. I really can't be sure. I don't know, I'm not a Mopar guy, but it looks really nice. Yeah, man. Hellcat Challenger. And we got one with an automatic. Really nice. I understand that's an 8-speed automatic. Very, very comfortable looking car. It's like very spacious. It's like sitting in your living room. But yeah, man, I don't know. I may very well own one of these one day. All right, guys, we're going to close out the show. Check out this 65 GTO behind me here. This is a really cool car. This is pretty much where it all started. And this one's got tri-power. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the show. We'll see you in the next one.